part de la
Badminton
Confédération
Pan
panaméricaine
American
de badminton,
Confederation,
bienvenue à
we
une
warmly
nouvelle
welcome
session
you to our
des
new season of the
Coach
Coach
Corner
Corner
Richard
program.
Wong, et
My
c'est
name is
mon
Richard
honneur
Wong, and
d'être
it's my
les
pleasure to
modérateurs de cette
be
session.
your moderator today.
Alors, dans la session
In today's
d'aujourd'hui,
session, we will address a key topic for sports
nous
performance
allons
and
parler
integral
de
development of our
l'intégration et
athletes,
de la dimension
menstruation and its
et
impact
son
on
impact
sport
sur la
performance.
performance.
This is not
Si ce
an
n'est pas quelque
isolated
chose
health issue,
d'isolé,
but a real
mais quelque chose
performance
qui
variable
affecte
that coaches and technical teams
à tous
must understand and
les
manage in
coachs
an informed
qui
way.
doivent les gérer de façon
For
informée.
this, we
Pour
have the
ceci, nous
presence
avons
of Aditi
à Madame
Mutadkar
Mutadkar
from
de
India,
l'Inde
performance
qui
specialist
représente
and
les
representative of
simples
Simply
sports
Sport
françaises, une
Foundation,
organisation
an
dédiée
organization
au développement des
dedicated to the
athlètes
development of athletes from an equitable,
de façon
sustainable,
d'une
and
perspective
evidence-based
équitable et fondée sur
perspective.
l'évidence. Avant de
Before I
donner
hand over to our
la
guests,
parole
please allow me
à
to tell you
Madame
about her.
Mutadkar, voici quelques informations
She's a
sur son
Commonwealth silver
parcours.
medalist and
Elle était
achieved the highest
médailliste de la
ranking of
Commonwealth
27 in women's
d'argent
singles in
et elle a eu les
2008.
les plus élevés devant
She's currently
7
the head of
dans les
athlete and women
simples dames.
initiative
Elle est
at
actuellement le
Simply
chef
Sport
de
Foundation in
l'initiative
India.
pour les femmes et les athlètes à la Simply Sport
Their athlete
Foundation
health
en
program
Inde
has impacted over
et son
10,000
programme
athletes
de
and
santé des
coaches in
athlètes
India through
dames
workshops,
a un impact positif
resources,
sur 10 000
and
athlètes,
research.
mais par son investigation recherche.
Good evening,
Alors,
Aditi.
merci
Welcome to
Aditi,
our
merci
program.
d'être ici
Thank
avec
you very
nous et
much
de
for joining
partager
our audience
l'information et de nous
and for
accueillir
welcoming us to your home in
chez
Pune,
vous à
India.
Pune, India.
We invite you to take
Nous invitons
control
à
and share your
partager
screen.
l'écran. Merci
Thank you,
Richard.
Richard.
Je
Welcome.
vous en prie.
Okay.
Bon, salut tout le
Hello,
monde. Je
everyone.
suis très
I'm
content d'être
glad to
ici
be here
avec
with
vous
all of you today,
aujourd'hui.
and
J'espère que
hopefully
nous
we have a
aurons
good
une belle
session
session sur quelque chose que
on
c'est très,
something that
très
is very,
important
very important and
et très
often
souvent pas bien
misunderstood
compris.
or
Et
not
auquel
spoken
on ne
about
parle
as much as we
pas
want to.
si souvent comme
So
on
let's start
souhaiterait.
with the
Alors, on va
presentation.
commencer.
So
Alors,
just quickly about us,
moi,
so I
je
represent the Simply
représente le
Sport
Simply Sport
Foundation. Of
Foundation. Je
course, I'm a
suis un
former
ancien
international badminton player myself, like Richard just
athlète de
told all of
badminton
you
de la
about.
Fédération de badminton.
But Simply Sport is a
C'est une
Bangalore-based
Simply Sport,
organization
c'est
in
fondé en
India,
Inde et nous
and we
travaillons
work
pour
specifically with
les
women's
femmes
sport,
avec
focusing
une
on health,
focus sur
on also
sur les
skilling
athlètes
of
et la
athletes and
qualification
career
pour les
transitions for
athlètes
female
femmes
athletes,
et de
and
donner des
also, of course,
soutiens
giving them
pour,
support
par
in terms
exemple,
of
les
playing
frais
their
de son
sports,
sport.
especially at the
Et
grassroots levels where
il y a des
we do
problèmes,
not
par
have
exemple, parce
enough
que nous n'avons
funding
pas
or we do not
suffisamment
have
de
enough
financement,
pathways.
suffisamment de
So
moyens.
we've been around for the
Et puis
last
ça a
5
marché
years,
depuis 5 ans.
and we really
Et pour
believe
moi,
in forming an
c'est un
equitable and
système
sustainable
équitable
ecosystem for
pour les
girls
femmes
in
en
India and for
Inde.
sport.
Comme je vous ai
Like I
dit,
told you, these are the three
si les
programs
programmes
that
que
we
nous avons
run,
faits s'incluent les
including
programmes
Women Health
de
Program.
santé
The
des
WITH
femmes,
program is the
les
program
programmes
which works around
pivotes
career
aussi,
transition for
et les
female
programmes de
athletes,
bourse
and the grant
qui,
program which supports athletes through financial aid, enhancing coaching
qui nous aident pour le
infrastructure,
coaching infrastructure,
also
l'assistance
sports
sport et
science and
pour
tournament
l'accès au,
support.
au
So
tournoi.
we have impacted over
Alors, c'était
10,000
plus
plus athletes and
de 10 000
coaches
athlètes
across
en
India
Inde
in the last 5 years
par
through
tous les
various
différents
programs
programmes
that
que
we
nous avons
run.
disponibles. Alors,
Quickly about our
on va
partnership with
parler
the
de
Badminton
cette...
World Federation. We have
nous
three
sommes
major
pour des
verticals in
différentes...
which we have
C'est
partnered.
la recherche.
One being research. We have
Alors,
just finished
nous
our first
aidons les
research
personnes
paper
dans la discussion
on menstruation and
et
how it
d'aider dans la
basically
visibilité et la
impacts
performance dans les
performance in terms
différents
of
cycles,
the
les
different
différentes
cycles
phases de
and the
ces
different
cycles.
phases of the cycle. The
Le rapport
report will
sera
be out
disponible
soon, and hopefully
bientôt.
all of us will get to read it as well.
Et la
And the
recherche
research
va
will
continuer
continue on
différents
different
aspects
other
de la
aspects of
menstruation
menstruation
et les
and
autres
other
aspects
female
aussi.
health aspects as
Aussi, nous
well.
avons des
We also
autres
have
ressources.
resources that we are building, and I'll
Par
talk
exemple, on
about
a
one
parlé des autres
resource that we've
ressources
already
qui sont
built, and it's
disponibles.
available on the Simply Sport website,
Et nous nous concentrons maintenant
focusing
sur la
currently on
menstruation
the
et
menstruation
la
and sport
formation. Et
performance. So
donc,
I'll show
je
you
montrerai ces
that
ressources à la
resource
fin
at the end
aussi.
as
Et
well.
au long terme, nous
And in the
cherchons
long
aussi
term,
de
we are
la
also looking
création
at creating a female
de
health
la
module certification
certification du
that can be
module
used
de
by the
santé des
coaches
femmes
and athletes
pour que
to educate
les personnes
themselves
puissent
on
éduquer
everything
sur la
female
santé des
health,
femmes.
and hopefully help
Et on va utiliser
use that
cette information de
information
façon constructive
constructively into their athlete performances.
pour la performance des femmes. Et pourquoi
So
cette
why this
session?
session?
Alors, je crois
So I think in terms of female athletes,
que
they have to and
nous
they
devons
should
utiliser
be
les
training
personnes par les
throughout
choses
their
lors
cycles,
de ces
and
différentes
it
sessions.
shouldn't be a hindrance
Alors,
to any
donc,
female
toutes les
athlete.
femmes
So we really need to
doivent être
understand
aidées
how
et
we can
on
help
doit
them sort
comprendre
of
comment on peut
perform through
aider
these
dans
cycles
ces cycles.
well. And of
Alors,
course,
c'est très
coaches play a
important
very
pourtant
important role in terms of being an influence
d'aider
on
à
these outcomes.
influencer ces
So it's
résultats
important for the
et les
coaches to
coachs
play an
ont un
active role and
rôle actif
understand,
et c'est
this very
sur ces
important
importants
phenomenon
phénomènes
for a
pour
female
les athlètes
athlete.
femmes.
And this is
Alors,
basically a performance management issue. It's
ce n'est
not
pas
just
seulement
regarding
une
health,
question de
right? It's
santé, mais
also
c'est une
about
question
how this
de la
aspect of an athlete's
performance, comment
physiology
ces
impacts
aspects de la
performance. So I think
physiologie
this
affectent
is
la
why it's important to
performance.
sort of have this session and have this conversation. So just to
Alors,
the
les
basics, so
bases, c'est la
menstruation 101.
menstruation.
Basically,
Actuellement,
menstruation is nothing but the shedding of the uterine
c'est
lining.
une
So the if you can see the blue
charge
mark, this where
de
I'm
la cage,
pointing out. This is the
de
uterine
la couche
lining, and every month
d'utérus
a girl basically
qui peut aider dans
experiences
ces
her
périodes
period
et donc
where this uterine lining is
on va travailler
shedded,
dans cette
through
sur
her
vagine et
vagina, and she has
ça donne
bleeding, right?
de saigner.
And that
Alors,
bleeding is basically the mark of the
se montre
start of the
ça,
cycle.
c'est
It's
que
a
le début
period is
du
just
cycle, ce n'est
not
pas une
a
seule
period is
partie
just
de
one
tous les
part of
cycles
the big cycle that runs through the year for
pe-
365
pendant
days. And
que
why
ce
do
que
I
ça marche
say
dans
this?
tous
I'll
les
just
jours,
quickly
alors
take you
c'est quelque
through the
chose
different phases of the
qui sert
menstrual
dans
cycle. So
des
menstruation, which
menstruations.
is actually the
Alors,
period,
ça montre
this forms the
les 5
5 days
ou 6
or
jours
6 days
de
of the
cycle.
whole
Alors,
cycle.
le plus
But
important,
then
c'est
there is a
que
whole thing going on in terms of
la phase
the follicular
folliculaire,
phase, the ovulation phase,
ovulation,
where the egg starts preparing,
qui,
for to get ready
qui
to
vont
sort of
aider.
get
Elle peut
matured.
appuyer
And
ça
then we
pour
have the
la phase
luteal
lutéale
phase,
aussi, et
and
on
then we
commence
again start
avec
with
la
menstruation.
menstruation.
So if you look
Et donc,
at
si on
the
voit tous les cycles de
actual menstrual
menstruation,
cycle, it's not
ce n'est pas
just
quelque
about
chose
the
qui c'est
5 day period,
pour tous
but
les,
it's
mais
a
c'est un cycle
365-day thing that is going on
qui on le
and
voit dans
in a
toute
female body,
toutes les
and
parties,
each phase
et
of
chaque
the cycle
cycle
has its
a
own unique
une
characteristics for every
disponible
female
pour tous les
athlete that
athlètes
you would be
qui
training,
seront
right? It's a very,
entraînés
very
avec
individual
vous. Et
experience. It
donc, c'est
cannot
quelque
be
chose
sort
qui est
of
utilisé
generalized
pour les
as
généraliser.
to
Et donc, que tous
every
les athlètes sont
athlete
les mêmes
feeling the
choses à
same
différentes
thing
phases
during
dans le
different
cycle.
phases of the cycle.
Alors,
Though
si on voit les
if you
différentes
look at the
tendances et
general
comment
trends
le
of
cycle
how the
marche,
cycle works, and
alors
what are the critical
on
hormones
peut
that basically
voir,
work
tous les
during the
différentes
cycle,
phases,
there are
différents
two hormones
cycles.
that are functioning here
Et
majorly. There is
on
one
voit
called
l'estrogène
the
et le deuxième,
estrogen,
c'est la
and the second one is
progestérone. Alors,
progesterone. So if you see the
si vous
dotted
voyez
lines here,
ici, aussi,
this
c'est
is the
l'hormone
progesterone
des
hormone, and then
progestérone.
when you see
Alors,
the a more sort of static line, which is the black
c'est
line
parti
here,
en
that is
noir,
of
c'est le
course the
progestérone.
estrogen,
Et
right? So if you look at
la
the
ligne
way
infinie,
these,
c'est
through the
progestérone.
follicular
Le
and
noir,
the
c'est
luteal
en
phase,
estradiol.
you would see
Et
that
vous
there
voyez toutes
are
les
a lot of
variations
variations in
qu'on
terms of
voit.
the cycle, right? The hormones
Alors,
are going up and down, and when this
si on
happens,
voit
of
qui,
course, it
ça
starts
commence que
showing
ça se
for
montre dans les
athletes
athlètes
in
différents
different ways
niveaux
in
de
terms of
symptômes,
symptoms, in terms of what
de
they're
sa
feeling
santé
mentally,
physique, santé
physically,
mentale.
so on and so forth. So it's a little important for us to
Alors,
understand that hormones are not going are
ce
not
n'est
going in a
pas en
straight
ligne
line
toute
throughout the
recte.
cycle.
Alors,
So throughout the months, there is curvature, and you're going to see different things happening in terms of the hormones
et
and
comment
how
il
they
marche dans les
function
différentes
during
phases
different phases of the cycle.
des,
As per research, of course, there are certain things that
alors,
you see
on voit
more
les différentes
so
phases
in
de
the
ce
different
cycle.
phases
Alors,
of the cycle. So when you look at the follicular phase, so the follicular phase is like
vous
you
le
might have seen at the back
voyez
screen here. The follicular
ici,
phase is basically the phase that just
ça
starts
commence avec
after menstruation or after
la
the period is over,
menstruation.
and this is supposed to be
La
one of the
menstruation,
most nicest phase for an athlete. She generally is feeling
alors
really, really good during this
dans ces
phase,
phases,
because the estrogen levels are really high, and estrogen is a very,
c'est
very
une
important
hormone très
hormone
importante pour les
for
femmes
the
et pour le
female
corps
athlete and
féminin.
for a female body, because it really, really helps with a lot of things. It makes us feel
alors,
happier, it makes us feel stronger, it helps
ça
us
nous
feel,
aide,
our recovery is also a lot much better,
c'est
because of the
parce que
the hormone, the estrogen, which is a
l'hormone
lot more during
dans ces
this time
cycles,
of the
et
cycle. And
comme on
like
avait
it said
dit,
here, that
alors,
estrogen is especially
c'est important
important for bone strength, for muscle building. It also
dans la
protects
récupération,
recovery. It also makes you feel
pour obtenir
happier
masse musculaire.
emotionally. And
Alors,
as
on
you can
voit que
see that,
dans la phase
during the follicular phase, you
alors
have estrogen at a
on voit que
higher
l'estrogène,
levels,
c'est à un
and
niveau
that
plus
really
élevé.
sort of helps
C'est
in
dans la
terms of
récupération,
recovery, in
l'entraînement,
terms of training, and
et
how the
comment
athlete
l'athlète
is
se sent
feeling,
aussi.
right?
Euh,
And of course, if an athlete is
Donc, le
having
fait
an
d'avoir
irregular cycle,
un
generally
cycle
that leads
général,
because of low
ça nous
estrogen
aide à...
levels. And what that does
Et
is,
c'est pour
because
ça que
estrogen is
l'estrogène,
very
c'est important
important
pour
for
la
our
santé des
bone
femmes.
health, you're going to have athletes with
Ça
weak
donnera
bones, right? So if the
d'une structure
hormone, if she's
osseuse
not having her
très,
period
des
regularly,
choses
and she's not
très
having a healthy
fortes.
period, that
Et
would
donc,
mean that
s'il n'y a pas
estrogen is not
un bon
functioning
développement,
at the
ça
right
montre
amount,
que
and that could actually
la
lead
génération
to more
d'estrogène est
injuries and
faible.
so
Et
on
donc,
and so forth. So it's
ça
important to
entraînera
sort of
un
have a
risque élevé
regular
de
period,
blessures.
and that's a very, very healthy sign for a female
Alors,
athlete. When you look at the
Alors,
luteal
on peut voir
phase,
les
so
différentes
this is the
phases
phase
suite
right
à
after
l'ovulation.
ovulation, once the egg has started coming out,
Alors, on voit dans
of the
différents tubes.
fallopian tube,
Alors,
and
ça passe
it's
pour
waiting for the
qui
sperm to join
on
in,
va passer et
that's the
ça, c'est la
phase
partie
where
dont on
ovulation
commence avec
starts,
l'ovulation.
and at that point, at the
Et
luteal
dans ces
phase,
parties, alors
you
on
would
voit que
see
le
that
progestérone et
the
le niveau
progesterone and
d'estrogène
estrogen levels
ont commencé
both
à être
start
un
sort
peu
of
plus
going a little
élevés.
higher, and more so the
Et le
progesterone.
progestérone, c'est
And
quelque
progesterone is
chose
a hormone that sort of
qui a quelque
has some
impact
impact in terms of,
dans
very
la
slightly in
température
terms
des
of body
femmes
temperature.
aussi
So a lot of
et
athletes,
dans
during this
le...
time of the cycle
Ça,
could feel
ça
excessive
élève
heat in their
aussi le
bodies, which
niveau
means, if there is that
des
happening,
températures
there
de les
could be
femmes.
an,
Ça peut
chance of
une
dehydration and so on and so forth.
déshydratation aussi. C'est pour
It
cela
could also,
qu'on doit
that's why,
passer,
slow down and
on
recovery a
doit
little bit,
permettre qu'il
right?
ait un peu plus de temps pour
And if you
récupération avant
could,
de
if I can
commencer.
just go back again to the
Commencer
graph, you could
dans la
see
partie.
that
Mais
during
quand
the
on va
late
dans la
luteal phase, you
partie
see that both these hormones
tardive
really drop
lutéale aussi, c'est
down
quelque chose
suddenly,
qui affecte, c'est
and
qu'il
that's where a
il y en
lot
a
of athletes,
beaucoup
just
de
before
celles
the
qui,
start of the
à début
cycle,
de ce
feel
cycle, sont
a lot
pas
of
mal de
different
cycles
symptoms,
différents.
right? And this is
C'est
because of
parce
the drop of
qu'il
these
a ces pertes
hormones,
de ces hormones
which happens
qui se
drastically,
perdent
which is
drastiquement.
also called premenstrual syndrome,
Alors,
right? Just syndromes which are coming out
c'est
just before their
suite à
period.
la...
And this, you would see that, a lot of athletes can feel
Alors,
back
s'il n'y a
pain,
pas
muscle
des problèmes
soreness,
d'anxiété,
anxiety. They can feel a bit more of
alors,
irritability. There could be bloating, there could be nausea.
alors, et
So
donc,
an athlete during this time, is not
si
feeling
l'athlète, par
optimal.
exemple, a
Again,
une...
like, just to
il faut,
reiterate
par
that,
exemple, répéter que ces
these
symptômes seront
symptoms
différents
are
pour
going to be
différents athlètes.
different for different
Des
athletes.
athlètes
Some athletes
qui
might
seront
also be
différents, mais les
completely
autres
okay, but some
qui
athletes
sentir,
might
par
feel
exemple,
it at a
à ce
really high
niveau plus
level, right?
élevé.
So one has
On
to
peut trouver,
understand
par
as a
exemple, que la
coach that
menstruation et les symptômes
menstruation
et la
and the
façon que
symptoms and the
les hormones
way hormones react
réagissent
to
dans
every
chaque
athlete
athlète, c'est
is
différent
going to be
par
different
athlète.
with different athletes, right?
Et
So
donc, il ne
you
faut
cannot
pas
sort of generalize
généraliser cette expérience pour tous
this
les
experience
athlètes.
for every
Et
athlete. So not
chaque
every
athlète
athlete is going
aura
to
une
have excessive
différente,
pain, or not
plutôt,
every athlete is going to
pas
have
tous
a
les athlètes
very easy
auront une
period. So it
période
changes,
plus
and it's
facile
very
pour ce dire.
individualized in terms of the
Et donc,
experiences of a
il ne faut
period
pas
and
se
their
tenir à
impact
une
on
seule
performance.
expérience d'une période menstruelle.
So
Alors,
just
si
a
on voit
quick
la
myth and
réalité et les
reality,
limites,
sort of a
alors, de
check for all of
ces
us.
formations,
So periods, yes,
on
I mean
voit que,
they are a
oui,
personal issue,
mais
yes,
aussi on
but they
souhaite,
also actually,
il peut avoir
can impact in terms of energy, in terms of recovery, in terms of
une,
movement, right? Like I was
il a
saying, a lot of
plein
these hormones
des hormones
work in different
qui
ways
seront
for
disponibles par les
athletes,
athlètes et
and
on peut voir
what
aussi
we could
qui
do,
est
in terms of
qui est l'effet
helping an athlete is to
d'aider un
track
athlète.
readiness. How ready is their
C'est laissé
body
dans
during
différents
different
types, différentes
times of the
sections ou
cycle, and
étapes
there
de
are ways to
chaque,
track
de
an
chaque
athlete's
cycle.
period cycle, right? And we'll
Alors, on
talk
peut
about
parler
that
de
a
ça un
little
peu plus
later.
tard. Alors, il n'y a
It's
pas
There is
un
no
mauvais
bad
face
phase as such
dans
to
cette
train on
période,
a
c'est
period.
complètement
I mean, it's
différent
completely okay to
et c'est
train on your
complètement
period days, and of course
possible
also to rest if you're having excessive
de
symptoms.
passer, mais la
But
performance est
performance is
possible.
possible, right? And an athlete
Alors,
cannot sort of say that, I'm not going to play on my period
parce
days, because you're going to play your
on
tournament,
va
and you
passer
have
par
to
exemple
play
à
your important
différentes selon
matches
les
when the
périodes.
period
Et
comes,
donc, le
right?
plus important,
So it's
c'est que lors
important though
d'entraînement,
in,
étant
in
qu'un coach, c'est
training and as a
comprendre
coach to
quand est-ce
understand
qu'on doit
when to
adapter
adapt
la
load,
charge
right? And to
et
sort
le
of preserve
type
the
de la
quality
session.
of the session.
Et par exemple, tout
And
ça peut
again, all of
passer,
this
par
can
exemple, si
happen
on voit les
if we are looking
différentes,
at
si on fait du
monitoring
monitoring de ces
these cycles
cycles,
and symptoms for an
alors,
athlete, and to use it wisely in terms of how to
alors
plan
faut
your
planifier
trainings for your
l'entraînement pour
athletes,
les
right?
athlètes. Si on
Um,
parle de la
Talking about
période,
periods
ceci
is
serait
very
très
important, right?
important.
It doesn't
Ce
lower
n'est pas un
standard.
signe
It's not a sign of weakness when an athlete comes
qu'on
up
est
and says
faible, de
that,
faiblesse.
I'm having my period,
Alors,
and can I, can I take some rest on that
c'est
day?
plutôt
It's
si,
actually, if you're a
si vous êtes
available
disponible, par
coach, you
exemple,
will see this as
quelque
something
chose que
that
vous
you need
devez
to
voir
look after,
aussi
and solve
de
for,
rassurer. Alors, c'est
and
important
you should welcome
d'avoir
this in
plutôt
terms of
meilleure
having more
communication
communications
autour de la
around
menstruation,
menstruation and how an
parce que
athlete
cela
feels,
peut
because
aider
this can
aussi à
really help you
normaliser tous les
normalize the
sujets,
whole topic, but
mais
also sort
aussi
of use it
d'utiliser
as an
tant qu'un
important factor
format
to
pour la
plan performance.
performance.
And
Et oui,
yeah, I mean, you
il
cannot
faut
also just
pas assumer
assume that an athlete might be comfortable,
que tout
especially if
sera
you're a male coach, for
facile
example.
pour
The assumption that the athlete might
les
be
personnes et
comfortable from
les
get-go
personnes
to talk
qui
about their
ça
period
sera pas
may
vrai.
not be true. I
Alors,
mean, today we
on a
have more
des
and more
athlètes
athletes sort of being open about it, but you
des
might
athlètes qui
have
sont plus
younger
jeunes,
athletes
par
especially,
exemple,
who might be a little
et qui ne
shy or
seront
who,
pas
who may
très
not be very
confortables. Et
comfortable.
donc,
So it's up
c'est
to
à
you
vous
to sort
d'avoir
of, have an
différentes
culture, have an environment
périodes.
where
Donc,
an
on a
athlete
des
can come and sort
différents
of speak to you
des
about
différentes choses
anything,
selon,
including
c'est que
including
les
periods, right?
périodes. Alors,
Injuries
les
are
lésions
unavoidable.
sont
Again,
inévitables.
nothing. I
Il
mean,
y a
there is
conscience
no
que peut dire,
science
par
that
exemple,
says for sure that a period and
qu'une
injury
période et
go
les
hand to
lésions
hand.
vont de
But yes,
l'amant.
if you're not
Mais
having
oui,
if you're not
si vous
having
avez une
a
période
regular
différente et
period
c'est
and
pas
your periods are
irrégulière,
not
alors
regular, like as mentioned before, your estrogen levels might
les
drop,
niveaux
and that
d'estrogène
is
peuvent
connected with the
baisser
bone
alors et
health,
ça
right?
peut être un problème.
So it is
Donc, ça,
going
c'est
to
une
sort of,
partie des...
you need to sort of adapt. You need to sort of make your load,
Alors,
work in terms of how
comment
how a
marcher,
cycle and how
par
symptoms,
exemple, c'est comment
sort
ça
of
peut arriver
happen
pour mon
for an
athlète. C'est
athlete, right? So
important de
it's
penser
important
à
to
qu'est-ce que
think
c'est
about
réel et qu'est-ce
what
que
is
c'est un
real
mythe.
and what is a myth, and it's important to just look at periods as one
Alors,
of the different
les
factors that we
différents
look at in
facteurs
terms of
qui
training
vont
and performance.
affecter
So you could
la
use the chat
performance.
here. I
Comme
mean,
point les
we have
différents
question, sometime later for
problèmes,
questions and
aussi si
answers,
on
but you could
voit,
think about, as in
si
your
on
coaching
voit,
journey, what are
alors,
some of the symptoms that you might
cela
have
peut aider,
observed
par
of
exemple,
your
pour les
athletes, or
athlètes, ça peut
if
être
it
dans une
could be on
cour,
court, or
c'est
it
quelque chose
could
qu'ils
be
qu'ils ont
something that they
vu,
might have
mais
said,
ça peut être quelque
or you
chose
might have, sort of experienced
qui
yourself.
peut
If
aider
you're a female coach, for example, you could
à une
put, some of
performance
this, things
et on peut
on
les
the
jeter
chat
dans
as
les
well,
chats
so that
aussi
we,
afin de qu'on puisse
later
voir,
on we
par
can see, what are
exemple,
some of the regular
si,
symptoms that we have observed for our athletes, or as,
si vous êtes un
if
athlète,
you are
par
an athlete
exemple,
or a coach
même,
yourself, female
alors,
coach yourself, right? So,
c'est vraiment pour vous
just to sort
donner
of give
une
you some
idée de
glimpse of,
comment
how some of
ces
these
symptômes
symptoms
sont
that are generally
rapportés
reported
par,
by athletes
ça peut
might
être
show up
montré
in
dans sa partie. Donc,
badminton, right?
généralement, les
So
athlètes,
generally,
lors de la
athletes during the
période,
period time can
on
sort of
regarde
talk
qu'est-ce que
about lower
c'est
energy, feeling low on
l'énergie très,
energy, or
très
can
faible.
think about,
Alors
low,
aussi,
heavy legs, just feeling fatigue a
ça
lot
peut être
more than
montré de
usual.
façon plus
And of course, the way it
manquée
will show up is, you see a
d'habitude.
drip, in
Alors
terms of them
aussi,
reaching the shuttle, or a slower split
par
step. So
exemple,
the
les différents
splits
split
that we
steps
take
qui
in
ont
the
fait, toutes
center of
ces
the
choses
court, all of these things can get a little slower.
amener et
You just feel a
affecter
little late to every shuttle, right?
Mais
When it
quand
looks
on voit
at,
les
the
différentes,
cramps are
les
very, very
frappes aussi
normal,
sont très
for
normales.
most of our athletes, and the research that we've done back
Par
in
exemple,
India as well,
en
that
Inde, c'est la même
cramps are
chose.
something that are reported
C'est
the
montré comme un
highest as a
symptôme.
symptom.
Alors,
So during this
alors
time, you would see that, the
ce n'est
athlete
pas
is just
qui
not
ont
bending so
surtout
much, or
alors
it's more sort of
c'est la
an upright
posture
posture.
aussi.
She's not very comfortable sort of using
Aussi,
her
on
core
utilise
muscle as
plutôt le
much,
muscle.
right? And that, of course, leading to
Parce
reduced
qu'il arrête
lunges, or
le
the
lunge,
depth of
par
the lunges,
exemple.
and so on and so forth,
Alors,
right? Similarly, if you look at heat, like we spoke about, during the luteal phase, you see
alors,
that progesterone
par exemple,
rises a little
ça
bit for
montre
a
pas
few
c'est un
athletes, and
athlète.
that can actually, raise
Et ça peut monter
the
la
heat in the
température.
body. And if the
Et si la
athlete is
personne ne
not
s'hydrate pas
hydrating
bien,
correctly during this time,
alors
and there is
ça peut
excessive
l'éliminer
sweating and
à
early
une
exhaustion, is
exhaustion
something
qu'il
that
peut
she's
avoir.
going to feel
Et donc
on the
c'est très
court,
très
right? So it's very,
important
very important to pay
d'éliminer
attention to these
assez
small
petits
changes,
changements
and to make
et
sure that the
s'assurer que la
athlete
personne
is
est en train de
hydrating, and sort of, taking
de
care
son
of
hydratation dans
her
ces moments.
hydration during this time.
Alors quand on voit
When we look at the
les cycles
the
physiologiques, par
psychological symptoms,
exemple,
like things like
si on
just
voit
mood fluctuation or
l'irritabilité, par exemple,
irritability, this is
c'est
also
très normal pour la
quite
plupart,
normal
pour
for a lot of
pas mal
athletes,
d'athlètes et
especially
surtout
during
avant
just before
la
their period
période
or during their
pendant
period.
la période,
And during
on
this
peut
time, you
voir que
might see
l'athlète ne
that
peut
an
pas
athlete is just
se
not able to
concentrer de
focus,
façon
and because
adaptée.
of which you might
Alors,
have,
par
just
exemple, ces
having
personnes-là, par
errors, or
exemple, peuvent
sort
faire
of
des petites
making
erreurs,
blunders, when they're
peuvent faire
supposed to
des
be in a
choses, et
point,
alors
and so on and so forth.
donc
So
c'est le
even the
fait de se
focus, right? The
concentrer.
focus can shift a
Alors,
little bit, because they just cannot focus, because there is,
parce qu'il
so
a
many
autant de
things
choses
going on,
qui passent
inside
dans
their
leur
head
tête,
during this time, because of the
alors
hormones,
peut-être
and
parce
maybe
qu'ils
because they
n'ont
do
pas
not
aucune
have any
stratégie
strategies to sort of,
à
think
faire
about
des
this
choses.
better,
Alors,
right? So
et voici
so
quelque
these are
chose
some of the
qui
things that,
peut
show up
arriver
practically on
pour
the
les
court,
athlètes
for athletes who have, or
qui
who
ont
undergo certain
des
symptoms, or
problèmes
certain sort of changes because of their
post le
cycle,
cycle,
and their period phase,
l'étape de
right?
cette période.
Um,
Et bien sûr, quand
yeah,
on
and
voit
then
les
of
différents
course, when you
symptômes, vous
see the
voyez
symptoms, and when you see that,
qu'il
there is,
a,
some sort of,
qu'il en a
when it
qu'il a des
coordination
problèmes, par
issues, be
exemple,
it early fatigue,
s'il en
there are
a
some, what
qu'est-ce
not to
qu'on ne doit
use,
pas
and
faire, qu'est-ce
coach
qu'on doit
responses
faire.
that are, better
Par
off, right?
exemple, si,
So for
si vous
example, when we
avez
look at heavy legs and
des
slow
jambes lourdes,
footwork,
par exemple,
and
les
if you are
cycles de
having a
menstruation,
conversation with your athlete, and you
si
figure
cela
that,
affecte par
she is
exemple
sort of, just
la
just
période, ou
her
ou elle
period,
est dans
or
sa
she's on her
période,
period,
donc
rather
elle est
than
en train de le
pushing her
pousser
too
trop,
hard,
alors
right? You could look at
Personne pourra
reducing the
réduire
jumping and the
soit de
agility
réduire un peu
activity and
l'activité, se
sort of
concentrer un peu
focusing
plus
maybe
plutôt
more
dans la
so
technique et
on
des choses comme
technique
ça.
and things like
Et
that, so that
l'adaptation peut aider
adaptation might help,
aussi, et par exemple, si on est en
rather than
train
pushing her too hard and maybe she not
de réduire
creating it
le
worse or
risque
so on and
d'une
so forth,
blessure,
right?
alors
When there is early fatigue,
si on
you
peut
could
voir
sort
par
of look at
exemple de
increasing
réduire
rest
le
between
rallye,
rallies, but when she's
le
doing that
rallye
rally,
par exemple,
maintaining that
et de
quality in
réduire
that rally during
ces
that
rallyes
time,
pendant
right? So
ce
there
temps.
are all of these, like you see on the
Alors,
screen, are sort of
ça montre
adjustments
ce
that you
qu'on
need to make,
on doit faire
so that the athlete
afin
knows
qu'on a
that
la
and feels
confiance.
confident that there are things that she can
Non,
do
même
even if she's
si,
feeling
si on
some of
sent
these symptoms or even if she's not feeling up to
ces
the mark,
symptômes,
right?
alors
But this comes from also from the decisions that a
de voir
coach makes,
les
right?
différenciations que les
So
coachs
when
peuvent
we
faire.
look at
Alors,
poor sleep
si,
indicators, for
par
example,
exemple,
sleep is, as we all know,
le
it's one
sommet,
of the
c'est une des
most
choses les plus
important things. And
importantes. Et
if
si
you
on
look at a
voit
lot
les
of
différentes
research
choses, et
that
même
comes
la
out, even our
recherche que nous avons
research
fait,
that
une des
we have
choses
done,
qu'on
one
est
of the major
arrivé,
things that has
c'est
come
arrivé
out
en Inde,
in
par
India, for
exemple,
example, from
pour
some
les
of these
athlètes,
athletes,
c'est
is that
que
sleep really does get
c'est
affected,
l'affecté, surtout
especially
lors
during
de
their
leur
periods,
période,
because they're just
parce que,
scared about
par
staining, for
exemple, ils ont des
example,
problèmes
or
où ils sont
they're
pas confortables,
just not
voilà.
comfortable. And
Et
when you look at
donc,
something like that, and if
si
you
un
push an
athlète n'a
athlete
pas
who's not
bien
slept well,
reposé, ça
that
peut
could
affecter
actually again,
aussi.
sort of
Ça peut aussi avoir
result into an
résultat une
injury or result
lésion,
into
blessure,
something
et
that
c'est
you don't want
important
to
que cela
happen, right?
n'arrive pas.
So it's just
Et donc,
important to
on
be
doit
very
être
observant
observant de
of
comment un athlète, par
how an
exemple,
athlete is sort
réagit
of
lors des
reacting
différentes
during different
étapes
times,
de
of
ce
her
cycle,
cycle, and
et comment cette
how is
personne
she sort of
réagit,
reacting to
et
training,
de prendre
and to take the right step and to
l'étape
adapt, right? It's not
adaptée
about
pour, par exemple, il ne faut
just
pas le
telling her
dire
to rest.
comment se
Of course, if
reposer,
the pain is too much, yes to
mais
that,
encore, si
but
on
again,
voit qu'ils sont
as we
des
know that we are
athlètes
professional
professionnels,
athletes, and it's important to
on
find
on doit
ways in which you can
comprendre
understand these
et nous
differences and
s'adapter à
adapt your
notre
load, adapt
rôle,
your
aux choses qu'on peut
things,
faire
that so that the athlete is not
à
overwhelmed
la fin de la journée.
at the end of the day.
Et
Um,
donc, une des
so
choses
some
que,
of the things,
si on
what if
pense
you
à
think
des différents
about,
symptômes
the
qui ont
symptoms
fait,
that I'm talking about for some time now, there are some
il
critical
y en a
symptoms that an
certains symptômes
athlete
critiques qui
generally
sont
does have
importants.
during her periods, and I just
Et
wanted to talk about that a little
alors,
bit
pour vous
and
donner
give you
quelques
some ideas
idées
on how
et
to sort
comment
of
on peut faire
overcome
avec
these
les
symptoms,
symptômes
and what can one do
et
to be
comment
able
on
to
peut
overcome these symptoms. So these are some of the critical symptoms that research has shown, that this
améliorer
keeps
ces
coming up a
symptômes ou
lot
faire
when
face aux
it comes to
symptômes.
female athletes, right,
Alors,
starting
si vous
from
avez
menstrual
de
pain
l'or
to breast
menstruel,
pain to excessive bleeding. This is
si on a
excessive
des
bleeding is
saignements
one of the
excessifs,
most,
c'est une des choses, des problèmes pour un
underscored sort of
athlète.
symptom for an athlete,
Alors,
because a lot of athletes don't know, what is the right
alors,
amount of
ça peut,
bleeding
ce
that
qu'on peut
should be
voir
happening
lors
during
d'une
a period,
période et de voir
and they
si
just sort of let it
on
go,
dit,
but
bon, on
that
accepte, mais
also
ça peut
causes things
entraîner
like
qu'il y a
anemia or having less
l'anémie
iron in their
ici,
bodies and so
anémie,
on and so forth. So it's very important to be
et un
able
peu
to
le
track this
comprendre
and
et essayer de
understand that,
comprendre qu'est-ce que
if we
c'est
are,
un
what is the
saignement
normal bleeding and what
normal
is
et qu'est-ce que c'est
excessive, right? Of
un
course, because
saignement
an athlete,
excessif.
if the depending
Les
on the
produits
products
qu'on
that they use,
utilise, par
generally pads
exemple,
are something that a lot of
pas
athletes in
mal
India are
de ces
very
athlètes
prone to use,
utilisent
and we do
des
not have
différents
as many
pads,
athletes
ainsi
using
pas
cups or
des
the
différents autres
tampons and things like
produits
that. The
pour
products that we
gérer.
use can
Et
also
ça peut
cause a lot of
donner
rashes and
des
infections and so on and so
infections.
forth. So it's important,
Alors,
know how to sort of
il
solve for that.
faut
And
comprendre
lack of
la
sleep, like
manque
I've
des
already
informations.
spoken about, is another
C'est
sort of
quelque chose
important thing
qui on voit
that
toujours
keeps
dans la
coming up in
recherche et dans la
research
plupart
and
des
in most of the
athlètes
athletes in terms of
dans
their
leur compte
complaints during
lors de ces
periods.
périodes.
Um,
Alors, comme j'avais dit
as I've said
avant,
before,
le
the
problème
biggest challenge for an
principal,
athlete is the period pain and the
c'est
cramps
que
that one feels.
on doit
It's
comprendre
because of the uterine lining that is coming out during that
que
time. It
cela
really
se
pushes through the
c'est poussé
stomach
par
and to the
l'estomac
vaginal region,
et
and
ça
that
nous
causes
fait
those
à ces
cramps,
crampes.
and a lot of
Alors,
athletes suffer
des
from
choses
them. Some of the
qui
things that
vont
have
aider
really helped
énormément,
athletes, through
c'est
research
pour notre
and
expérience
through our
aussi, c'est
experiences as well,
il faut
is
dire,
always
par
having, for
exemple,
example, a
une
heat
heat
pad
pad.
in
Alors,
their bags, right, where they can sort of warm up the
alors
water and
utiliser
use
dans
it
la région
across the area that is in
qui a
pain.
de l'or.
That helps in giving them
Alors,
some relief during
dans
this time, and sort of
bon.
helping them
Donc,
think about
c'est important
what they
d'utiliser ce
can
bouillon, par
do
exemple,
better in terms of just
pour
feeling more
avoir
comforted.
des conforts.
Magnesium,
Alors, des
generally, a
magnésium
lot of
aussi.
athletes, young athletes especially, have very less
Alors,
magnesium, in their bodies, and
alors,
they neglect
beaucoup de
this a lot.
personnes
But magnesium,
qui
as a
oublient
supplement or
ça
in their food, is
et
something that
ça
can
veut dire
truly
énormément
help in terms of minimizing the pain that
la
they feel,
douleur.
as they
Et
play,
donc,
right?
c'est
So
quelque chose que,
this is something that, as coaches, you
on
could
peut
maybe
faire
talk to
pour
your
aider aux
athletes and see
athlètes
if they can
et
take something
surtout
like
aux
these,
athlètes
especially athletes who complain
qui
of
sont,
extreme pain
qui ont
during
planté
their
sur les
peak.
différentes, lors de cette
Of course,
période.
medication is one of the things that can definitely be
Même
used, even
la
contraception for that
contraceptive
matter. In
aussi,
India, for example,
ce n'est pas
we are not
si,
as friendly or about
nous ne sommes
contraception,
pas
but
aussi
you might
familiarisés
have different
avec les
experiences,
contraceptifs, mais il peut y avoir,
in
par
terms
exemple,
of the
différentes
athlete preference
préférences
in terms of
d'athlètes
taking
si j'utilise
contraception
ces
or not.
contraceptifs ou pas.
But
Alors,
anti-inflammatories, and
alors nous
in
savons des
India we
choses
have things
tant
like
que que
aspirin,
l'aspirine, par
ibuprofen. These are
exemple,
tablets that you can
afin
actually take to relieve
d'allévier un
some pain,
peu.
especially when it's excessive. Of course, when it comes to medicines and
Alors,
when
s'ils
it
sont
comes to painkillers, you have to be careful in
pour,
terms of
par exemple,
what is
les
allowed and
médicaments
what's
contre
not,
la
and
douleur,
also not
il faut faire
overdosing
attention de
yourself
ce
and
que c'est
getting used to it.
accepté ou ce n'est pas
But
accepté.
it is important that there is a
Alors,
doctor involved, a gynecologist involved here,
alors
and they are prescribing the right
d'utiliser la
amount
dosation
and the right
correcte
dosage for your
d'analgésique
athletes,
pour
right?
des
But
médicaments
it's not,
antidouleurs
it's quite
pour vos
okay to
athlètes.
take these, especially if
Et
you are
donc, si vous êtes
really in
surtout
pain,
en
and
douleur,
especially,
si vous êtes en
you're
préparé
preparing
pour
for
un
a tournament
tournoi,
and so on and so
alors c'est
forth. But it's
important
just also
aussi
important
de
that you're also
maintenir ces
taking these
tablettes
tablets as,
pour,
any kind of
pour les différents symptômes
recovery
que vous
symptom
avez
that
et
you're using. You
d'utiliser
have to
d'une
be
façon
using
qui
it,
n'est pas utiliser
not
seulement
just
parce que vous
because
êtes
you're
au
playing a
tournoi,
tournament, but
mais
also in your
aussi
practice, so that you
que
know
vous
what
savez
works for
quoi
you and what
utiliser,
not.
quoi
That's
pas
a very
utiliser.
important thing that the
Alors,
athlete needs to think about, and a
il
coach
faut
has to
penser
help that
à ce que
athlete
vous
think
avez, par
about,
exemple,
because a lot of athletes just
il a
take
des
up a
athlètes qui
medicine
prennent
just before a
n'importe quel
tournament,
médicament
and then
et
they
chaque
have a
athlète peut
different
avoir une
reaction to
différente
it. So your
réaction
recovery strategies have to be going
à
on
ces
for at
médicaments.
least a few
Et
months
donc,
before
il
your
faut faire
crucial
attention pour que
tournament,
vous êtes
so that you
prêt
know
à
in your
savoir qu'est-ce
practice
que
what
ça marche
works
et que
and
ça
what
marche pas.
doesn't, right?
Alors, à ce qui
When it comes
concerne
to period pain,
la douleur
other things
de
that
la
help is
période, il
yoga,
a
and
des
our
yoga
YouTube channel on Simply
il a des
Sport actually
sessions de
has some of
yoga
these yoga
qui peut
sessions
aider
that one can
aussi,
look at to develop different things,
ou des
or to do
différentes
different
positions
exercises
qui
and
peut aider.
positions that can help relax their
Et,
pain and make them feel a little
et
more
donc,
relaxed and better. Of course, food becomes a
bien
very, very
sûr,
important,
les
sort of
aliments aussi
topic
sont très,
here,
très
and
importants. On voit
looking at
les magnésiums
magnesium-rich
aussi.
food,
Nous,
omega-rich
le
food.
poisson
Fish is
aussi,
a
c'est
very,
très
very good
important.
source.
Et
Things like we call
qui
it
sont,
turmeric, and
par exemple,
strawberries, berries, tomatoes, zinc-rich foods like
fraise,
chickpeas or
le,
legumes, meat, shellfish. All of
les
these things
haricots,
are
par
really good
exemple,
in terms of
le
natural
pois
resources
chichi.
to help
Ils sont les
with the
différentes
symptoms
choses
that come
qui arrivent
with periods,
avec,
especially again
qui peut
related to
aider avec
pain.
la
Right.
douleur.
When it comes to
Alors,
excessive
comme j'ai
bleeding,
dit,
like I've said,
je crois
I mean,
qu'on va
I
passer à
think
la
we'll
trivia.
just the
On va
next
continuer
slide.
alors.
So I was just talking a
Alors,
little bit about
on a
heavy
parlé des
bleeding, right?
saignements
A lot of
abondants.
athletes do not
Alors,
know,
et qu'est-ce que
what is normal
c'est
and what is not.
normal
And
et qu'est-ce
also
que
it
ce n'est
could
pas
be a
normal?
little
Parce qu'il a un peu de
confusing, because
confusion des
for what
fois.
is normal for one may
Parce que
not be
c'est pas très
normal for
normal
the
pour ça,
other. But what is
ne peut pas être
important to
normal
note,
pour l'autre.
especially some of the things that one athlete can
Et
look at,
donc,
and maybe
on
you
peut
can
aider à
help inform
informer
the
à
athlete that
l'athlète.
in terms of your
Par
bleeding,
exemple, si
if you're
j'utilise par
using maybe
exemple
4 pads a day and now
par
you're
jour, par
using, say,
exemple,
6 or 7, that
alors,
means something has changed and that something is abnormal, because
si ce n'est pas
there
normal,
is a
s'il
sort
a
of
une limite
threshold that your body has in terms of how
et
much
qu'on
one
peut
can bleed.
utiliser, mais
Also,
aussi
having
s'il a
clots in
par
your
exemple
sort of bloodstream when you bleed,
des, des,
they could be like small size clots,
des
but those again are
différentes,
not normal, and
des,
that has to again get
différentes,
checked, right?
s'il y avait
If you
des
have
douleurs
constant pain
normales,
during
par
your period,
exemple,
and
ce n'est pas
constant pain
normal,
in terms
alors
of just
si
not
je fais
having
pas
any relief and you can't even walk or get out of the bed, a lot of athletes actually push
apôtres de
through
l'heure,
pain
si ça
that
c'est pas
much. That
normal,
again is abnormal. You're
alors vous
supposed to be
pouvez
able to do
être
all your normal
capable d'utiliser
activities
tous
on your period
toutes
days.
vos
So if there's
activités
so much pain
normales,
that you can't even get up from your
alors
bed,
encore, ça c'est
that
quelque
is again
chose qui ce
something
n'est
that
pas
is
normal. Alors
abnormal.
toutes
So
ces choses
all of
doivent
these
être,
things have to get
doivent
checked,
être
and
vérifiées
you
et
have to
faire
pay attention
attention
in terms of
à ce qui arrive
what's
aussi
going
à
on in
terme
terms of
de
bleeding
la
and in terms
douleur.
of the pain as well.
Alors quand on
So when you look
voit
at effects of
des
blood
différents
loss, the
effets,
biggest
l'effet
effect is
principal c'est
anemia, right?
l'anémie,
Anemia is nothing but
alors
basically
c'est que
your
votre
body's
corps,
iron
s'il continue
content and the
de faire
body's
aussi d'un port
sort
de
of
sang est très bas, et
ability to
donc
sort of carry
ça
oxygen in the
affecte
blood,
votre
right?
capacité
And when you have
de
anemia,
transporter l'oxygène.
that lowers
Et
down,
ça
and
veut
which
dire que
means that you're going
vous
to
devez
lead to more fatigue
un
and
peu
less recovery, and you're going to have
éviter
all those sort of
de
symptoms
déplacer
which are
trop
not
afin
great
de
for you at
concentrer la
all.
récupération.
So your
Alors,
bleeding
le
has to be
saignement doit être
optimal,
optimal si vous
and if
avez
you're
trop de
bleeding too much
saignements.
on your period
Aussi,
days,
même
or
si vous
even for
avez
example you have had your cycle of
avez un
7
problème,
days
par
and
exemple,
just in a gap of say 15 days you have your another
avec le
cycle,
cycle
or another
d'une
period,
période,
that's
c'est quelque
again that
chose
comes under
qui,
heavy bleeding because you're
que vous devez
supposed to have
repasser,
at
vous
least
devez avoir au
a
moins
1 month gap or
30
28
jours, entre
days gap, 28
28
to
jours
35 days gap between
pour
one
l'autre.
period
Donc,
to
si vous
another.
n'avez
So if you're
pas
not having that and you're
c'est
having
c'est
early sort of
break
period
dans
breaks,
dans
that
la
means that you need
période,
to get it checked and
alors
it's abnormal, and it
c'est
is going to lead to more
c'est
fatigue,
important
less
d'avoir
recovery,
une
and
opération
things like anemia, which are quite
et
serious, and
vous
it needs to
pouvez être
get checked and so on and
il
so
faut
forth.
aller à Docteur
So when you
Honoré.
look at again heavy
Autre
bleeding,
chose que
the
vous devez
first thing
faire,
that you need to do
c'est
is
des
go
gains,
and
comment
meet a
est-ce qu'on peut
gynecologist,
gérer
meet a
ces,
doctor,
ces
and
niveaux
make sure you're
abondants
checked if if
en
everything is all right
médecin,
and
se voir à
hormones are
voir
doing well,
si
if
un
there's
problème,
any
si un
sort
problème
of
d'imbalance
imbalance in
dans
the
les hormones
hormones, so that you get early
et de
sort of
vérifier
check-in and
alors
you
s'il
can
a un
sort of mitigate
symptôme
these symptoms early on rather
très
than sort
tôt,
of waiting
alors
on them. Of course, home and home food and
c'est
remedies and
important
hydration remains something that is a natural
d'avoir
process in terms of
ces
making sure you're
informations.
eating right and drinking right.
Alors, les,
Individualized plans are very, very
le,
important, because if
le
you
plan
don't have a
individualisé,
very individualized plan as per
alors
your need,
il a
and
pas
a lot of
mal
athletes, for
des
example, will
athlètes
just ask another athlete
qui
and
en
say, what do
demandent
you
qu'est-ce que
take
vous
for your period
prenez
pain?
pour
And
cette
then pop up a
douleur
pill,
pour
whatever
cette
the other
période.
athlete is saying, and that might have adverse reaction on them, because every body is different, every hormonal profile is different. So it's very important to have your own individualized sort of, remedies and own strategies in terms of what is going to work for you, especially when it comes to medicine and things like that. Tracking your period cycle is extremely important, and like I said, I'll quickly talk about the cycle tracking a little bit in the end. But tracking your cycle is super super important, and coaches can actually partake in terms of this tracking mechanism, and make sure that even they are aware of what's going on, and use again menstruation as an important indicator like everything else. Diarrhea is also very normal. A lot of athletes, are not able to digest food properly during this time, again, because of all the activity happening around that region. And it's very normal to have these symptoms. But again, if an athlete is training, playing hard, and having the symptoms, you have to pay attention to that and make sure you have your strategies that work. Like, for example, hydration, making sure you're not having too much sugar, you're not having spicy and fried food during this time, so that you're having good healthy food that doesn't sort of cause this even more. Also, high fiber is very very important during this time, so that you have a good gut, and you can sort of take that pressure, and sort of, again, because fatigue, the next part of dehydration or diarrhea is dehydration and fatigue, right? So you have to make sure that this doesn't affect you in terms of what's coming. Rashes, again, during this time, because of the products that are used, a lot of infections, or a lot of itching, especially in rashes, can happen. And there are different creams, or different things that are available in the market, in terms of using for some relief from these rashes. And every athlete can have their own preference on this, but yes, there is medicine available for these rashes and infections, so that you are more comfortable during these times, especially if you have a reaction to different products that are used during your period. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is PCOS. In this, basically, athlete is basically having issues with her period, like she's not having normal periods, and or actually her periods completely stop as well. If that is happening, and all of this is sort of seen through ultrasound and through medical inputs, but if this is happening, you would see an athlete sort of losing hair, for example, or you would have hair where it shouldn't be there, like you see in the picture here. So hyperandrogenism is something that sort of comes through when you have PCOS. And again, in this, again, it's very very important to get your irregular period checked immediately, especially if you're having it, if you don't have your period for more than 2 to 3 months, then you have to get checked if you're in the spectrum, and make sure that you get back your healthy period as soon as possible. Right. So again, in this, the idea is to use a collaborative approach. PCOS can be managed through the right nutrition, through the right sort of sleep strategy, right training, monitoring and adapting your training for it, understanding your cycle well, right, and of course, communication. Most of the athletes, when they don't have their period, young athletes, again, they think they're lucky and they don't have to go through the pain, and they don't report it at the right time. But a lot of young athletes go through this, and it's not the right thing. A healthy athlete is an athlete with a very normal period cycle, right? The other three things that I wanted to quickly talk about, which you should be aware of, are things like the female athlete triad. What tends to happen during this is that, if the athlete is training super hard and is not eating or hydrating right, the first reaction to that is that the body completely stops her period, because it's not something that is going to keep her alive. And when that happens and the period stops, like I said, there is a menstrual disturbance, and that actually reacts, the estrogen levels start dropping, and she starts having decreased bone mineral density, which means that she's going to crack her bones, which is going to lead to more stress fractures, and so on and so forth. And this is the triad that is reported a lot more in athletes than laypersons. And this again happens mostly because of energy deficiency or disordered eating. So eating and nutrition is a very, very important link to having a healthy athlete and having a healthy menstrual cycle. When you look at again a similar sort of concept, like both of this, the relative energy deficiency as well as low energy availability, are part of the bigger cycle, right? I mean, the relative energy deficiency actually happens for both genders. It's not limited to the female gender, but it is again something that is more so sort of prolonged for a female athlete, because they are more prone to sort of having anemia, more prone to having lack of nutrition and a lack of cycle, and all of that can lead to more fatigue, more injuries, and so on and so forth. So RED-S, of course, the International Olympic Committee has a really good tool already available, which is freely available on their website on RED-S, and how to sort of what are the things that you can see as the symptoms, especially for a female athlete as well, and how to mitigate these symptoms. But majorly all of these things that I spoke about, low energy availability, female athlete triad, and relative energy deficiency, all of these things are a combination of more training and less eating, right? So when that happens, you would see that the first thing that happens for an athlete is she starts losing her period, and that's again not a good symptom for her, because that is going to interrupt in terms of her bone health and how she overall feels in the body, and that would lead to a smaller career, or because of the injuries that might happen, right? So these are some of the important terminologies that a coach has to be aware of, and the science behind it, so that a coach can sort of guide a young athlete in terms of how to think about nutrition and what is the importance of eating right and having a healthy cycle throughout. I just spoke about these three. The last thing that I wanted to sort of bring out is tracking a period, right? Today, when you look at a lot of the sports technology available out there and the apps that are available out there, there are a lot of Fitter, for example, is an app, or there are a lot of other apps also available which help you track a female athlete cycle in terms of you also as a coach having access to that information and doing it with her, right? So you could, and tracking your cycle is not about just tracking your one period to the other. It is actually also about tracking symptoms, on through the different phases, like we spoke about earlier, follicular, luteal, just knowing what is happening during different phases of these cycles, and how is the athlete reacting during this phases of the cycle. And this can be very easily tracked on an app. It can also be done simply by, making a Google form, which is valid for you in terms of, how just tracking her period days, tracking her symptoms through the cycles, and sort of tracking her fatigue levels, tracking what she's eating, how is her sleep. If you can just have very simple things attached in terms of putting it in a Google form and sending it to your athlete every day in the morning, they can send you back that data. It just takes 5 minutes for them to fill it. And you also, of course, are seeing them on the field, so if both of these things are matching as well. But tracking your period, as you track their, for example, their nutrition, you track their psychological makeup, you have a sports psychologist, and so on and so forth. Menstruation also can become a very, very important factor in helping you, really holistically helping your female athletes, right? Of course, when you're tracking, there is ethics involved. There has to be consent that has to be got from the female athlete. You can't force her to give you the data. So you have to make sure that there is consent. She understands why you're asking for this data. The data is not shared with somebody else, and it is kept personal between you and the athlete. So there is ethical considerations that one has to take in this and make sure that it is a consented effort. but it's very important for you to know how this cycle and the period symptoms work so that you can adapt and monitor training, and you can help the athlete even more better. Because as you know, when it comes to an All England champion versus a non All England champion, even a percentage of change in terms of your what you're going to do with the athlete is going to make a big difference, right? So the period can be maybe one of those things which you can really optimally use to help your athlete even deliver better. But that can be only done if you understand how the athlete feels. And one of the ways to really do it practically is to track her cycles, track her symptoms, and make sure that you know how her body reacts on different phases of the cycle. Just the key messages, I'm done with my presentation. Just some key messages here on the screen. One of the most important ones is to not use a one size fit all model, especially when it comes to periods. There is no generalization because every athlete experiences period and symptoms in very, very different ways. And at different times of her, age as well, things change. So it's important to make sure that you don't generalize any of your sort of, training according to just your interpretations of a period and what it does. It's about creating a system for her, making sure she has access to the right nutritionist, she has access to physiotherapists, there's a gynecologist involved as well in your sports science team, so that they can make sure that, they have everything on track, and, they can help an athlete if she's suffering from any of the menstrual health symptoms. And of course, pain and fatigue and all of these things are not something that an athlete is, of course, just sort of saying out of spite. It is actually something that she feels. So it's not on her character, it's just her physiology, and we just need to make sure we help her out during that, right? So, and lastly, adapt. I mean, adaptation is one of the crucial things that one can do. And to make sure that that happens, the coaches have to understand why tracking her cycle like you track everything else in her performance is also as important. So just these are some of my key messages to all of you, and I hope my session at least started you on a journey. I know it was very quick, but I hope that it gave you some ideas on what can happen and what can one coach, as a coach, you can do better. There are very good resources available across different websites today, and different research papers as well that you can use and read to get deeper into this topic and understand things better. But one such good resource is the Simply Period Handbook. This handbook was created by Simply Sport, the Liverpool John Moores University in London, and of course BWF, and it's a joint resource that we created for all of you coaches and athletes to just start your journey and start a conversation on periods and understand some of the things that I spoke about in detail. So you could scan this code, and it's also available on the Simply Sport website. So if you visit our page, you will also get this resource. It's a free resource for all of you. So do make sure you read through and see, start a journey. And the book also has other resources and links, so you can definitely have a look at that as well. That's it from my end for now. Thank you so much for everybody who joined in, and I look forward to if there are any questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aditi. Now we'll move to our question and answer section. Please, if you have any questions or comments you want to share, type them in the chat box.
There was one
Il y avait une question
question
par
by Sebastian, I think, but
yes, I'm waiting for production to send
alors,
the
j'attends que
translation.
Sébastien. Alors,
In the
entre-temps,
meantime, how are you addressing the challenge of
comment est-ce que
making
vous
menstrual
faites
cycle
comment est-ce
tracking
que vous aidez
voluntary and
l'athlète
informed,
qui est le
while
suivi
ensuring
de,
coaches
de
have
ces,
enough
de
information
ces
to make the decisions? I know
cycles
you stated that this
menstruels
has to be a private thing and
yeah.
well, definitely voluntary, but
soit quelque chose
are
qui
there
soit
any
fait de la
methods that
part de
you found
l'athlète?
to help the coaches, with
Comment est-ce que
getting
vous
that
pouvez faire?
information?
Alors,
Yes. So
actuellement,
currently, we basically
nous
use an
avons
app to do
ces,
this. It's a
nous
WhatsApp
avons
chatbot,
ces
which basically asks
chatbots
surveys of questions every day,
qui,
and those questions are
qui
sort of
sont
sent to the
envoyés
athlete,
à
and they sort
l'athlète,
of answer those
et
questions.
les
And
coachs
the coaches actually get monthly
reçoivent
reports
des
based on the
rapports
questions. We send them
mensuels
graphs, we send
selon les
them
différents
different
sites
insights. and
Et
then the coaches are able to make more informed decisions.
moi, je l'ai dit
Like I said
avant,
before,
c'est
where
on
when we
voit
look
les
at
athlètes
athletes sort of
s'ils sont en train
entering this data, the
d'envoyer
first thing we do is to
de
do
faire
a
un
workshop with
atelier à
them
la
on
personne pour
first
comprendre comment
understanding what the tracker looks
c'est
like, what
suivi,
are the
quelle
information that they should
information on doit
have,
y
the awareness
avoir,
that they should have, and
et
of
si
course
c'est quelque
consent.
chose,
If they don't
ils n'ont
consent
pas
to
se
sort of sharing this
demander
information with their coach,
de
we don't
partager des
share it.
informations, mais
But generally, they
normalement,
are
non,
okay with it
ils
because they
l'acceptent.
understand what is
Alors,
the end outcome that we all are looking at.
ce n'est
It's not
pas,
about getting your
l'objectif,
personal
ce n'est pas
information, but just trying to get what what are the symptoms and
d'obtenir
what is
l'information
troubling you, so
privée,
that as
mais
coaches
surtout
and as support staff, we
d'aider
can help
aux
them better.
personnes
So yes, we
à
do use an
avoir
app in
cette,
India currently, which is helping our
aux
athletes
athlètes
to sort of be more body aware, be more aware of their cycles, and
plutôt
what
là
helps them
pour
in
la
recovery
personne.
as well.
Is that available? Is that app available otherwise? Is it
Alors,
available in English or
alors disponible
Spanish?
pour
Yes.
les personnes
Yeah.
espagnoles,
For
anglais.
region?
Currently,
Oui, actuellement, c'est
the
l'entreprise
company that we
qui
use
le
is
fait
Cranberry,
Et
Cranberry,
alors, c'est
and they have
Cranberry,
their own
alors
sort of
c'est
chatbot, which is a proper website. So anybody here who wants to
donc
sort of look at
toutes les personnes
that
qui
website and
souhaitent
try and sort of
regarder,
get into that
avoir plus
program, they
d'informations
can.
pour
But
ce programme,
other than that, we have a lot
peut
of
le faire. Et nous
international
avons
sort
différentes
of apps
applications
available today as well. Like
disponibles
I said, Fitter is one of these apps,
et sont
that is
disponibles
readily
pour
available, and they're doing
toutes les
great work
personnes.
as well. There's Ultra
On
Human
essaie
also,
aussi
for
d'avoir
example,
différentes
which has
applications
apps
qui sont pour les
which these
athlètes
coaches and the
et
athletes can
pour
use.
les
So there's a
coachs
lot
aussi.
happening currently in this
Alors,
space. So I'm sure a lot of our coaches can
donc
find
je suis sûr
some
que les
really cool
personnes
things, for their use as well, if not our app.
peut le voir aussi dans la fonction
Okay.
disponible.
Thank
Ok,
you.
d'accord, merci.
The question from
Alors, la
Sebastian
question
earlier. He says,
alors,
regarding
concernant la
the
période
bleed period,
d'enseignement,
is it
est-il
advisable to
recommandé
consume
de
iron-rich foods
consommer
during
des
those
aliments
training or competition days,
riches en
or
fer
is there
pendant ces
no
jours,
connection?
ou est-ce qu'il n'y a aucun
Yes, no,
lien,
like my
connexion?
presentation spoke about
Oui,
iron, right?
le fer
And
est
iron
très,
is
très
very, very
important.
important.
Le
It's
fer,
iron, right,
n'est-ce
Richard?
pas? Oui, le fer.
Yes,
Alors,
iron.
Yeah,
vous
no,
avez
you made the
fait
right
le
connection,
la
Sebastian.
bonne
I mean, iron is
connexion.
so important for a female athlete
Alors,
who's menstruating.
je dirais
I would just
que
say
le
though
plus
one thing that
important, c'est
iron
que
also might a lot of
beaucoup
athletes, for
d'athlètes
example, could have
ont des problèmes
digestion
avec le
issues
fer
with
parce que ce n'est
iron
pas
because it's
facile
not
de
so easily
digérer.
digestible. So it's just important to
Alors,
learn, from them and from just
si vous
doing
êtes en
some
train
trial
de
and error to
faire
understand what kind
quelque
of
chose, le
iron and
plus
how much
important,
of it can an athlete sort of consume, during a day so
c'est de
that she can
voir
also
si
digest
c'est
it well.
possible de faire
But
une
yes,
bonne
you're completely right
digestion
that iron
et
is a very, very
d'avoir une
important connection
bonne connexion et
between
d'avoir une bonne
having a
période
healthy
et une
period and a
bonne
healthy
diète.
athlete. So you're
Alors,
completely
le
right
plus
that
important,
iron is a
c'est
super important nutrient for an
c'est
athlete,
important
especially
pour
female athlete.
les athlètes hommes et les athlètes femmes.
Okay, excellent. There was another
Alors, il y avait une autre
question
question
from
d'Emilie, je
Emmeline.
crois qu'il est en
I
train
think production is working on that one right now, but
de
in the
voir
meantime,
ici. Alors, Emilie,
Amelia
merci
says, thank you,
pour
Aditi, for an
la belle
insightful
présentation.
presentation.
Oh, merci,
Thank you, Amelia. Glad you
Emilia.
liked it. Thank you so much.
Alors, entre-temps,
In the
comment est-ce qu'on peut
meantime,
gérer
how have you measured the
l'impact
impact of your menstrual health certification program on
d'un
athletes'
cycle
actual
menstruel et
performance? Do
son
you
lien
have before
avec
and after
la
data
performance?
on athletic performance or reduced
Est-ce que c'est
absenteeism
avec
or even
l'absentéisme
improved
ou même
communication
pour
between coaches
aider la
and
fonction entre
athletes?
les coachs et l'athlète?
Yes, the data has been really, really,
Alors, c'est quelque
something
chose
that
que
we
nous
really
avons fait parce
treasure
que nous
because we've worked very
travaillons
hard to
beaucoup
sort of
pour
break the taboo and
trouver
start the
l'information après la
conversation around
période.
period. But yes, we have seen
Alors,
three major things. One
la
insight
première,
has
c'est
been that
que les
athletes are
athlètes
just more
sont
aware
plus
about their
disponibles
bodies than they were
pour les
before.
athlètes
That
qu'avant.
is one really
C'est un des plus
important
grands
change that
changements
we
que
have seen.
nous
So
avons
which means
vus.
that they have more agency, they can take
Alors,
better
de
decisions
ce
about
qu'ils
what they
souhaitent
want to
faire
do
ou
and
comment se
how they want to sort
protéger.
of protect their bodies. The second
Le
thing that has been
deuxième,
very important has been that absenteeism, like you said,
c'est
a lot of athletes used to sort of have rest
d'avoir
days or more rest
plus
days
de
on their
jours
periods,
de
but now
repos.
because they have some recovery
Par
strategies
exemple,
like having the
d'avoir
right
le
supplements
meilleur
or
supplément.
sort of making sure that they are using their heat
Ou
pads or TENS device which can help them with the
par
pain.
exemple, est-ce qu'ils
We
sont
see them becoming a little more confident of playing on their period and going all out and not sort of sitting on the bench. So that is another
ça
change
peut
that we have
être
seen
plus
when
jours
we have been able
d'attaque
to help
sur le
athletes
banc
with their
aussi.
strategies.
Bien, une chose qu'on a
And the
vu, c'est la
third thing that we have seen is
communication. La
communication, because these
communication,
reports are
c'est le
something
plus
that are consented
important.
with and the athletes and coaches are happy to
Alors,
share with each other. They can sit down and have a very
d'avoir une
scientific
conversation
conversation around this in
scientifique
terms of what they're going to
de
do
ce
together
qu'on
to be
souhaite
able to
faire,
adapt,
par
monitor,
exemple.
and use strategies. So these are the three major
Alors,
things that we have
on
seen
a
through our
vu
data
qu'il y
so
a
far, which is very encouraging, and hopefully,
alors
you know,
que
we continue to do that for as
il va y
many
avoir
athletes
l'information qui
here
est
in
disponible
India.
pour 100%. Ok, d'accord.
Okay, excellent. Regarding the
Alors,
question
selon la
from
question
Emmeline earlier,
que
she
nous
says,
avons vue, c'est
Good
bon
afternoon, excellent
après-midi,
presentation. I
j'aimerais
would
bien
like to know
savoir
if
si
it's
c'est
possible for you to
possible
share the
de
slides with us.
partager la présentation.
I am
Je
not
ne
sure.
suis
I
pas
mean, I don't know,
sûr
Richard, is that something
si
that
on
we
fait
do? This is my
ça. C'est ma
first
première
presentation,
présentation.
guys.
Okay.
So,
Well,
so
Si ce n'est
if
pas
you
un
have a problem with it,
problème,
then I think you can share it with
je crois qu'il y a un peu...
Panama. They'll
c'est possible
disseminate it
de
quite
le
quickly.
partager. Sinon,
Sure.
Otherwise, of
c'est
course, we
toujours,
would
on
always
encourageront les
encourage
personnes
Emmeline to
de
watch our
regarder
YouTube channel where she can watch the entire presentation again and see the slides.
de voir
And
les
Emmeline,
différents
I also
challenges
spoke
aussi.
about our resource, the
Alors,
Simply Period Handbook, Richard, which was there at the
c'est
end.
toujours
It's available
disponible
on
dans les
the
symptômes
Simply
le
Sport
site web.
website,
Vous pouvez
and you
trouver
will
toutes ces
find all the
informations.
information that I shared on that book in a
Alors,
very easy and a
par
fun way
exemple,
with
si
use
si
like
vous avez
comics and things like
différentes
that on the book, Emmeline.
copies
So I'm sure that
d'informations,
if you can maybe just download that
c'est
resource,
c'est
that
quelque
also
chose
might
que
be a great
c'est
start for you to
disponible
sort
pour
of
tous les
start your
personnes
journey on educating
et pour la
yourself on terms of periods
performance.
and performance.
D'accord.
Okay.
S'il y a
Delcy
une
has a comment
question,
here. She says, "Thank you for an
merci
excellent
pour
presentation."
une belle présentation.
Thank you. You're so kind, Elsie. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's see if anybody
Alors, on
has
va
any
voir
other
s'il y a les autres
questions.
personnes qui ont des questions.
Remember, you
Bon,
can type them in the chat box.
on peut les jeter
Okay.
dans le
Hidayah.
chat box.
This one is in
Alors,
French, so
on a une
once again,
question
we'll
en
have to wait on
français.
production to translate for us.
Sure. I
Je
can
peux voir
see
la
competition at
compétition
the
à
end,
la
so there's
fin, donc
something
c'est
related
peut-être quelque
with
chose qui a quelque chose à
competition is
voir avec la
something that I understand from
compétition.
that comment.
Alors,
Okay,
la
so the
question
question from
d'Hidayah.
let me just get her. Hidayah is
Bonsoir tout le monde,
good
mes
evening,
excuses pour le
everyone. My
retard. Ma
apologies for the
question est de
delay. My
savoir
question
est-ce que c'est
is it
bien pour
okay
un
for an
athlète de
athlete to
prendre
take products to stop
des produits
menstruation
pour
during a
interrompre
competition?
l'apparition de la menstruation lors d'une compétition?
I
J'espère que
hope I'm
j'ai
saying your name right,
j'ai
Adaya,
reconnu la
but I
prononciation
just feel
Hidayah.
like, you know,
Alors,
when we look at, you know,
alors
stopping a period,
dans
for example, it's not the most natural
ce
thing
n'est pas
that you can
la
do,
chose la
right?
plus
Because,
naturelle qu'on peut
like I just
faire
mentioned in my presentation, having a
parce
regular healthy
que
period is something that
le
every
fait,
woman, every
pas
athlete
tous les
should
athlètes
really
devraient
aim
faire
for.
cela,
So I know
mais
that a lot of athletes, you know,
par
elite
exemple,
athletes, for
si on
example,
voit toutes ces
might have taken a
informations,
period, a pill to sort of stop their
même si
period,
c'est une
maybe when it's in
olympique,
Olympics or things like that.
je
Now, but I would
n'ai
not sort of
je ne
make a
ferai
blanket
pas en question
statement and say that this is the
une
right thing to do
déclaration
or the wrong thing to
généralisée de
do,
dire oui, ça
just from general
c'est ça,
experience
c'est là qu'on
and
doit
from what I've
faire.
heard from gynecologists and so on and so forth,
Mais on
they
doit
would
mentionner que
mention that it's
c'est
always
toujours
better
meilleur
to sort of not stop a period
de ne pas les
completely,
arrêter
you know,
complètement
and make
et de faire
do
quelque chose
something
qui ne soit
unnatural
pas
for the body
naturel pour le
because it's
corps.
the most natural thing for a body
Le
to
plus
is to have a period.
naturel, c'est
So,
d'avoir
so
une
I would suggest
période
that this could be
et
something that
de
can be
discuter
discussed
ça
with the
avec les
gynecologist that you might
gynécologistes que
have
vous
there,
avez
wherever you are,
afin
and sort of having a
d'avoir
conversation on this with the
avec
athlete and the
l'gynécologiste,
gynecologist and yourself.
les
But
gynécologues
generally
aussi,
speaking, it's always good to have a natural period,
et de ne
and to not
pas
sort of
inflicter une
disrupt it so
disruption.
much.
Okay.
Alors, nous
We have
avons
another
une autre
question that
question
needs to
qui
be
doit être interprétée,
interpreted,
ceci en
but
français.
in the meantime, Crystal says
Alors,
presentation
cette
provided valuable insights
présentation a
and was
montré
highly
beaucoup
educational. Thank you.
d'informations importantes et c'est très
Thank
éducatif.
you.
Merci.
Thank you, Crystal.
Let's see.
Alors,
Okay, it says,
c'est une
I
question
think this is a
de
question from
Nivalis.
Navalis. A young
Alors,
female athlete's menstrual period can
alors,
influence her behavior
la
towards her
permission
sport.
d'une jeune fille
In
athlète
this
peut
case,
influencer le
what should be
comportement
done?
vis-à-vis d'un entraîneur. Dans ce cas, est-ce que
Nivalis,
s'il
thank
a
you for
lieu
the
de
question.
faire
So,
un
because
lundi
you
une jeune
said young
athlète, c'est
athlete,
important
it's just
que
important
une
to
jeune
understand
athlète
that young athletes
peut y
can
avoir,
have, you know, a little
peut
bit of
avoir une
irregular
période
periods at the
qui soit
beginning, right?
irrégulière,
And which means that they
que ces
themselves are figuring
personnes
out their
sont en
bodies and they
train
can get a little, you know, sort of anxious, or they can get a little irritated because of
est-ce
this, because they're not
qu'elles ne
understanding what the hell
comprennent
is going on,
pas
especially
et qu'est-ce
athletes who
qui
just hit
arrive.
their puberty,
Surtout
and especially
que
in the first
pendant
2 years, right? It takes it takes some
première
time for the body to adapt to a period,
partie, ça veut
and which
dire
means that you have to
que
give it some time to sort of normalize and all of
alors
that.
la première
So
chose
one
qu'un
thing that
coach
a coach
doit
can
faire
do when you
quand
start
ces choses
seeing these
arrivent,
things
c'est
happen is to
d'éduquer
educate to
la
be able to tell
personne
the athlete
et
that
que
whatever is
ce qui
happening is
arrive, c'est
normal,
complètement
that
normal
things will stabilize, that she
et
will,
qu'il
sort
faut
of get used to
s'adapter.
it and things
Et
will
la
get
deuxième
better.
chose,
The
c'est
second thing is to empathize, rather than
de
sort of,
parler à la personne,
being too
d'aider
strict
à
or
la
sort of,
personne
taking things too hard. It's important to sort of
qu'il a des choses
empathize
qui sont
and
différentes, la personne peut aider, et
have a
d'avoir
more sensitive sort of
quelque chose qui
conversation,
soit plus
with the
sensible. Par
athlete.
exemple,
If you see that a young
si vous
athlete,
savez une
has already
athlète,
had a
par
period for
exemple,
some days and she's still sort
bon,
of more irritated and things like that,
on peut
you
y
could
avoir
talk
par
to a
exemple
sports psychologist or
si
a
trouver
mental health
l'aide du
professional
professionnel de
who
la
can sort of
santé
help with, how
qui
to
peut
deal with this
aider
in terms
avec
of,
la
techniques like meditation, breathing,
avec
visualization, journaling,
un
things like that,
suivi, faire un
which can
journal,
really help also in terms
de
of,
minimiser ces
minimizing
symptômes.
those symptoms and having more
On
control
peut
on,
d'avoir
how to sort
différents
of control,
contrôles
the anxiety or the
et les différentes
irritation that
choses
she might be
qu'il
feeling.
peut y avoir.
So I think,
Ce
these
sont
are some of the
des
things that one
choses
can do.
qui
Also,
on peut
just check on her
regarder d'une
sleep
façon.
because, like I
Et
said, a lot of
il y a pas
athletes
mal de
during their
personnes
period
qui
have
ont,
lack
par
of
exemple,
sleep, and you know that right now it's 12:28
je sais que
p.m.
c'est un peu
in
tard,
India.
donc je
In
sais
India, so
que le
I know
manque
that
de
lack of
sommeil
sleep
peut
can,
affecter
maybe
différents
sort of call
problèmes.
fatigue or you get you more
Et donc, il faut
irritated.
être
So just be
empathétique
empathetic, check on her sleep,
aux
check on,
différentes personnes,
if you
surtout
can
si
help
vous
her with
savez
some
des
techniques
différentes
to sort of
techniques,
look
par
at her,
exemple,
her psychology bit, and do
de
some
faire par
stuff
exemple d'autres
around
choses.
that. But empathy is going to take you really
Et
far,
donc,
Noel. So be
on
patient,
doit être patient,
especially
surtout
with the
avec
young
les jeunes
athlete.
athlètes.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow,
je
you
vois
have a
qu'il y a
lot of
pas mal de
questions coming
questions, mais
in
on
and
n'a
we're short
pas
of
beaucoup de
time.
questions. Gilbert dit
Gildas
merci.
says thanks.
Crystal dit, est-ce
Crystal
que les hormones
says, can the
peuvent
hormones influence
influencer le
reaction
temps de
time,
réaction,
coordination, or balance
coordination
on
et
court?
l'équilibre
And
dans
how
les
can
courses de
recovery
terrain de
sessions
jeu?
be planned
Est-ce
around the
qu'on
period?
peut, comment les sessions de récupération
Yeah.
peuvent être planifiées
So
autour de ces
Crystal,
périodes?
I just think
Comme
that,
je l'ai
like
mentionné
I've
dans
mentioned
ma
in my presentation
présentation,
as well,
la
hormones can
présentation,
fluctuate,
chaque
and again,
athlète
every athlete
est
can have
différente,
very different
est
sort of
différente,
reaction to different
alors
parts
elle a
of the cycle
différentes
and the
phases
phases
de
of
ces
the cycle.
cycles.
So
Alors,
yes, I mean, it's just very natural progression. Like, for
par
example,
exemple,
if
si
I'm having
j'ai
real
beaucoup de
pain,
douleurs, par exemple,
period
et
pain, for example, or my,
je peux
just pain
attendre
before my period,
au lieu de
in my tummy, for example, I'm
de,
not going to be able to focus,
ma
and if
douleur,
I'm not
il faut me
focusing well,
concentrer
my
sur mon jeu
coordination, my
et ma
reaction time,
coordination et
everything
ma
will start
réaction
getting
seront
affected, right?
affectées.
So it's
Alors,
not the hormone, but what it causes, symptoms that
il
it
faut faire
causes,
attention
right?
avec les
Things like
symptômes que
your
cela affecte.
mental
Par
setup or
exemple,
the physical sort of symptoms
si,
that it's going to have
et
is going to
ça
have
aura
some impact
un
on
lien
how the
avec
athlete reacts,
de comment
coordinates,
affecter
and
mon
balances
équilibre.
on
Donc,
court.
ça
So
peut être
yes,
quelque
there
chose
can be some
qui peut
influence of the
affecter
fluctuating hormones,
et
and which one has to sort of,
lequel
again, it all comes back to tracking
peut
and
nous
sort of
mener, par exemple, à
understanding,
qu'est-ce
what is causing
peut
what.
affecter
So
l'autre.
it's very important
Et
to
on doit
track
être
and to be able
capable
to
de
sort of
réaliser,
realize,
de nous
when
rendre
are these
compte de
things happening
qu'est-ce qui peut
a
affecter,
lot,
qu'est-ce qui ne peut
and then
affecter
sort of see
normalement,
what we
qu'est-ce qu'on
can
peut
do
faire
to
de
recover
meilleur.
better.
Alors,
So
pour
like you
répondre à
asked
la
the
question,
second
comment est-ce
question,
qu'on
how
peut
can recovery sessions be planned
planifier les
around the
sessions
period?
autour de ceci?
So like I said,
Donc,
not
chaque
every
athlète
athlete will
n'aura
have
pas
the same sort of,
la même réaction dans un
reaction
jour
on a
d'une
period pain.
période.
So
Et donc, par
recovery
rapport à ces
sessions,
sessions de
some
récupération,
of the things that I spoke about
c'est
earlier,
plutôt
especially
autour
around the period, things like heat
la
pads,
période, par
things like
exemple,
eating the right food,
de
increasing
manger
magnesium
le bon
levels,
aliment,
having more iron-rich food.
de
All of
se
these things
préparer
can
bien,
actually prepare the
alors
athlete to
d'avoir
have less
moins de
symptoms,
symptômes,
can sort of make her a little
alors
more aware. And also, if she's
ça nous
tracking her
aidera
period better, she would just be
mieux
more
tracer,
prepared, right? And not get
à mieux
surprised or
faire un suivi
agitated that, oh my
d'une
God, I have an
période.
important tournament and my period is coming
Alors,
in.
si
If
ces
she
personnes
knows it's coming in, she
savent
might be
que
better
ces
prepared,
périodes vont
right?
arriver bientôt,
So when we
donc
look
c'est
at
important
recovery
de voir
sessions,
ces
some of the things
différentes
that you mentioned for an
périodes,
athlete, for example, who's
pour que
having
ça soit moins
real,
problématique.
real serious period pain
Alors,
and
on
things
peut
like
se
that, you
concentrer
could
dans
focus more
différentes
on technique,
techniques.
less on speed, right? And
Alors, des
things
choses
that they
qu'on peut
can do
faire
easily
dans la
during the
période
period or around the period,
et on
which
peut
can
les
still
donner en
give them
meilleure
some quality
qualité.
input.
Alors,
You
si
could
on peut
think
penser
around those
à ces
lines in terms
sessions
of,
qu'on peut
not
faire,
making her do something
qui
too
ne sont
hard,
pas faites,
or sort
qui ne sont
of
pas par exemple
too much on
trop de
speed and
vitesse
agility, but more on
et
technique.
vitesse, mais
So there are some
sinon
of these simple things that one can
plutôt
look at, but
sur la
again,
technique. Et
with
donc,
tracking, if you're
l'important, c'est
tracking
d'avoir
well
un bon
and you know
tracking.
your body better and how you
Alors,
recover better, you
vous
could
pouvez
have very
avoir
individualized sort of
des
support
soutiens
on that.
individualisés. J'espère que
I
c'est là
hope that helps,
des grandes
Crystal.
aides.
Thank
Et
you very
merci
much.
beaucoup. Toutes mes
My
excuses
apologies
pour
to
Mélanie.
Melanie.
Nous avons
We shared a
partagé la
question for you, but
question. J'espère que la
hopefully
position
production
pourra
can
la
translate it
traduire
and
et on
ask you the
pourra
question.
faire
That'll
ces
today's
questions,
date and
poser ces questions
reply
plus
to her.
tard. Donc,
All
merci,
right. Thank you so much,
Aditi,
Aditi, for
pour cette
sharing with us
information.
such a valuable and
Vous
necessary
pouvez voir,
presentation. As you can see by the questions that were
il n'y a
coming
pas
in,
beaucoup de
you know,
questions.
our
Les
audience got a
personnes
lot
ont
out of it
reçu
and still
pas
have a
mal
lot to add.
d'informations. C'est une
It has
honneur
been a
de vous
real
avoir
honor to
dans le
have you on the
programme
program and
et
learn about
comprendre les cycles
understanding the menstrual
menstruels
cycle and
et comment
can
il
be
peut être
how it can be
transformé
transformed
pour
into a
la
sports performance management tool.
gestion de ses
You're
performances,
focused on
focus sur le
creating
système
systems, not
et les
popcorn
différentes conversations
conversations,
et dans les
and treating
cycles
cycle as a performance
de
variable leaves
donner
us
un
with a key
message clé
message. Adapting training is not
de nous
about
donner ces
compromising
standards
standards,
avec
but about
une
applying
gestion
intelligent
intelligente
management that benefits
pour
the
l'excellence de nos
excellence of our
athlètes.
athletes. The work you do at Simply
La,
Sport Foundation
la
inspires
Fondation
coaches
d'excellence
and
du
around the
sport nous
world to
aide
take
à
a
avoir
more
une
informed
meilleure
and equitable
approche au
approach to
développement des
women's
femmes.
sports
Merci
development.
beaucoup.
Thank you very much.
Merci,
Thank you.
merci
Thank you so
énormément.
much,
Et
Mr. Ed,
et à
and
Pamito
Pan Am
Panam
team for having me. And thank you for all the
et à tous les
coaches,
athlètes qui
athletes
ont
who
été
might have
présents.
joined. Thank you so
Merci.
much.
Okay, you're welcome. In addition,
Alors,
we invite you to consult the BPAC
nous
YouTube
invitons
channel
à
where you can
aller
see this
dans
and
notre
other conferences that
chaîne
we
YouTube
have
pour
held.
voir cette émission et nos anciennes émissions avant de
Before
fermer
closing today's webinar, we thank our
notre
friends who have sent
émission.
us their
Voici
photographs
quelques
in our
images de notre section
Coaching
Coaching
segment.
Family.
Thanks to
Alors, à
Kelsey,
Kelsey de Costa
and this is
Rica.
from Costa Rica. This looks like a Showtime
Alors, ça se
program.
voit comme un programme Showtime.
Richard Wong from Jamaica. This is a Showtime program held in
Voici,
Mandeville,
c'était le
Jamaica
programme
last weekend.
au début de Jamaïque. Mélanie
Melanie
d'Équateur.
from Ecuador. Also,
Aussi,
thank you very much to
merci
our
à
audience
toute
who
l'audience
joined us today.
qui était présent aujourd'hui.
We have
Nous
from
avons depuis
Argentina,
Argentine,
Jose, Bolivia,
José,
Laura,
Bolivie,
Canada,
Laura,
David,
Canada, David, Équateur,
Ecuador,
Mélanie, El
Melanie,
Salvador,
El
Jesus,
Salvador,
Costa Rica,
Jesus,
Randy, Kelsey,
Costa Rica,
Camila,
we have Randy,
Vadi,
Kelsey,
Carlos,
Camila,
Sébastien, Guyane,
Maddie, Carlos, and
Emilia,
Sebastian. From Ghana, we
Honduras,
have Emilio.
Mauricio,
From
République
Honduras, we
dominicaine,
have
Edouard.
Mauricio.
Des
Dominican
États-Unis,
Republic, we have Edward.
Alberto.
From Jamaica, we have Crystal and
De
Albert.
Jamaica,
Nicaragua, we have
Crystal,
Dionisio.
Albert, Nicaragua,
Panama, we have
Dionisio,
Alda.
Panama, Olga,
Peru, we have
Peru,
Andrea,
Andrea, Zach,
Zach,
Guillermo, Sandra, Venezuela,
Sandra.
Irwin,
From
de
Venezuela, we
Benin,
have Erwin.
Novalis
From
et
Benin, we have
Gildas,
Novalis and Gildas.
de Andes,
From India, we have
Tanugatri,
Tanugatari.
des
Netherlands,
Pays-Bas,
we have
Martin,
Martin.
et
Senegal, we
Sénégal,
have
Adrame,
Adrame,
et Tongo,
and
Hidaya
from
et
Tonga, we have
Aya.
Ivia and Iowa.
De la part
On
de
behalf of
Panamérica,
Badminton Panamerica,
nous
we
remercions de
thank
votre
you for your
participation
participation
et
and
que
hope you
session
enjoyed today's session.
soit de votre
We wish you all the
plaisir
best
et
and
nous
hope
souhaitons
you
une
have
bonne
hope to
semaine
have you in our
et
next
on
episode.
espère à la prochaine.
Take
À
care of
bientôt.
yourselves.